A system is described by the above equation: d square y by dt d cube y by dt square plus 6 into d square y by dt square plus 11 dy by dt plus 10y is equal to 8 u of t. So this is the system, and where y is the output and u is the input. We have to obtain the state space representation of the systems. So solution is that we have to select the variables. Select the state variables as so: x1 is equal to y, x1 is equal to y, x2 is equal to y dash, and x3 is equal to y double dash. Okay, so this is the, we have selected this equation. So now we have to write this x1 dash. X1 dash is nothing but this x2. What is x2 dash? X2 dash is nothing but x3. And what is x3 dash? X3 dash means it is nothing but the d cube y by dt cube. So the equation is in terms of d cube y by dt cube. So therefore we can write the equation in terms of like this. So 8 into u of t minus this 10 into x1 plus this will go on this side, it is minus 11 x2 minus 6 x3. So what we have done, we have chosen the variable, state variable x1 for y. So we have, and this is a d cube y by dt cube. So this is actually x3 dash. So x3 dash, we have to find x3 dash. So take all this term on this side. So I have taken all this term on this side and I have substituted this state variable. So we have to write now the state equations. You know the state equation. General form of the state equation: x dash is equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t. So it is a x1 dash of t. So this is the general form of the equation. So we have to write this. So x1 dash, x2 dash, and x3 dash. Okay, so we have to write this in the matrix form. So x1 dash, but if there is a variable of x1, no, so it is a 0. There is a variable of x2, yes, it is a 1. Variable of x3 is no there, so it is 0. Now x2 dash is x3 coefficient is there, whereas the x1 x2 coefficients are 0. So it is a, we can write like this. And x3 dash is this. So here x1 x2 x3 coefficients are there, so we can write minus 10 minus 11 minus 6, and therefore this is a x1 x2 x3 plus b, that is a 0. There is no b term here, there is no input term in this equation, there is no input in this equation. We have the input in this equation, so it is a 0 0 8 into u of t. Therefore we have to compare this equation number 1 and 2. Compare this equation number, compare equation 1 and 2, we get A is equal to 0 1 0 0 0 1 minus 10 minus 11 minus 6. So this is a and therefore B is equal to 0 0 8, and this x of t is equal to x1 x2 x3. So this is the state space representation of the given system.